Facebook Portal, a video calling device. Facebook had just launched its first ever hardware device that is called Portal. So the Facebook Portal is basically a video calling device with lots of great features as claimed by the Facebook. Facebook Portal has started selling in US market, but it's not yet available for other countries like India. So let's find out what are its features and why people are afraid to buy this amazing device of the Facebook called Facebook Portal. So let's first find out what is the features of the Portal. So there are a few features of this. So the first is the AI camera, the smart camera and the smart sound. So it's basically an artificial camera which has the great sound and the great video quality. Second, private by design. So Facebook is focusing on this point again and again, and what is that? We are going to discuss that later on. And the next option is the connect with the messenger. So even if somebody doesn't have this device, you can chat with that person using the messenger. So it can easily connect to your messenger on Facebook. Second, you can share the contents, be it a video or the audio, using this. And it has the Alexa built in. So that is the Amazon's Alexa. So that has already built in this device of the Facebook Portal, and you can display the photos and other notifications. These are some of the prominent features of the Facebook Portal. So what are those? So let me show you that. You can see how intuitive the design of this website is. The moment you focus out or roll out, it's going to focus on the subject. So you can see if I scroll it in, so that's basically one of the feature of this Facebook Portal. So it says that you can move and talk freely with smart camera and smart sound. So what it basically does, it follows you. So wherever you are going, whether you are, let me show you, whether you are working in a kitchen or you are playing with the kids, this smart camera will follow you intelligently. Okay. Second feature, which is this one, that whenever somebody enters into the room, it's going to make it widen and include that person. But the moment that person leaves out, it's going to zoom in on the person who is available in the room so that you can talk to that person clearly. Next is the voice enhancing quality. So since the Alexa is built in, so it has the great sound quality. So it enhances the voice of the speaker or the person who is speaking at this moment, and it just reduces the background noise, which is a great feature. Next, the camera and the microphone off. So this feature basically just allows you to turn off the mic and the camera of this device very easily by just tapping on the top of this device, and thereafter this would not record unless and until you tap it again and just turn it on. Now you can see again that the Facebook is focusing on private by design. So that means it's trying to focus on the privacy, and that was the reason why people are afraid of this. That one of the main cause of concern amongst the people out there is that since the Facebook has a very bad reputation of respecting the privacy rules or privacy policies, as they have already violated the rules or terms of privacy, and they have used our private data without our consent for some political purpose. And that is why people are afraid that if they are going to put this device into their bedroom in their home, then Facebook might snoop you 24/7. So that would be very a scary situation for most of the people, and they are afraid that yes, Facebook can do this. And it is quite possible, since the Facebook is one company which doesn't care much about the privacy policies or privacy, and it doesn't give that much importance to the privacy, and it focuses on gaining more and more of your information. And you know that on the Facebook, when you use, and it forces you to just synchronize your contact list, and it just forces you to put your phone number over there, because suddenly it blocks your account, and it forces you that if you want to gain the access, you need to provide your phone number, and an OTP is sent on your phone, and you have once you will enter that, only then you would be able to get the access to your Facebook account, which is very bad. And you might have noticed that sometimes even without our fault, the Facebook blocks our account. Suppose if we share some of our pictures too many times, like 4 or 5 times, sometimes it blocks our account, it blocks our access, and makes that activity as spammy, and forces us to either enter our phone number, or if we don't have that, suppose you have some earlier number and which you no longer use it, or some for any reason you don't want to give it to the Facebook, then you won't be having the access to your account. And if you want to gain the access to your account, you have to upload your personal ID like passport and election card and something like that. So this is again a very bad thing of the Facebook, but we have to do this, because if we want to use their service, we have to do this. And that is the main cause of concern for the people, because Facebook, either by hook or crook, they are forcing you to get more and more of your personal details, more and more of your personal data. And if you don't know, let me tell you that Facebook knows more than us about us. So Facebook will have more information about us than we do have. Facebook knows what kind of a post we like, Facebook know what we say, Facebook know what we like, because all of these are activities, they are tracked. The Facebook is secretly storing all of those services. So that is the one of the main reason people are scared to buy this device, and that is the reason you can see that it has been reflected on their ad or on their sales page of this Facebook portal. You can see that it says that you can completely disable the camera and the microphone with a single tap, or block the camera lens with the camera cover provided. So it again telling you that if you want, you can stop that, if you want, you can do that. And again, you can see over here as well, they have said Facebook doesn't listen to view or keep the contents of your portal video calls. Your portal conversation stays between you and the people you are calling. So it's trying to say, once again, trying to enforce and trying to make you believe that they are not going to save your personal information. So whatever video chat or whatever conversation would be happening over this device, that would be between you and the person, and Facebook is not going to store your information either on their server or anywhere else. And you can see that for added security, Smart Camera uses artificial intelligence technology that runs locally on Portal, not on Facebook server. And Portal's camera does not use facial recognition and does not identify who you are. So that is the main reason, and people, they know that what people feel about them, because whatever they are doing, people already know that they are doing these kind of things, and they are trying to just respond to those questions, they are trying to respond to those questions. Okay, so these are the questions which people have in mind, and they are trying to controvert that, and they are trying to satisfy people that no, it's not that we are not going to do this. And you can see, like other voice enabled device, Portal only sends voice commands to the Facebook servers after you say, "Hey Portal," and you can delete Portal's voice history in your Facebook activity log. So it's saying basically that it only sends the commands, like when you say, "Hey Portal," so these are the things only which is being sent to the Facebook server and nothing else. And you can even delete your history or voice history from the Facebook activity log. So that is the main cause of concern for the people, and they are trying to satisfy their question, or they are trying to answer their question that this video device is completely safe, they are not going to collect any further information about you, and many other things. Okay, and I don't know what you believe about this. Do you still believe Facebook, or do you still have the belief that Facebook is going to exploit our personal information? So what is your opinion? Please do let me know in the comment section below. And it again says that you can connect with friends even if they don't have the portal. So even if they are on the Facebook Messenger, you can connect with them. And what are its prices? Let me show you. So it comes into two variants. It's Portal and the Portal Plus, and the Portal has 10.1 inch display, and that costs around $199. And Portal Plus, which has the 15.6 inch, you can see over here, this is a horizontal design and this is a vertical design, and it costs around $349. All right, so if you still want to get it, you can get it from Amazon USA. I have included the links of this Facebook portal in the description section. You can check them out, and if you want, you can buy it. And if you decided to buy it or decide not to buy it, what is the reason? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.